You might want to stay grounded for this one, it's electric. Today we're going to learn about the amazing life of Ben Franklin in under 3 minutes. Are you ready? Let's go. Benjamin Franklin was born in Boston on January 17, 1706. His father was a candle and soap maker. His mother raised him while taking care of the family home. When Ben was 12, his father sent him to live with his brother in Philadelphia. At 14, he began working for his brother, who was a printer. This is where Ben learned the trade of printing. A few years later, he started his own printing shop, and did quite well. In 1729, he started the first public library in America. He also created the first fire department and the first hospital in Philadelphia, and he did all this before he was 30. Wow. But Ben Franklin wasn't done. In 1732, he published the Pennsylvania Gazette. It was a weekly newspaper that covered news in America and around the world. It was very popular and made Ben a lot of money. In 1736, he invented the Franklin stove, which could heat a room more evenly and use less wood. It was much safer than the old fireplaces, too. In 1748, he founded the University of Pennsylvania. He wanted to create a school where students could learn about science and make discoveries. It was one of the first universities in America. Ben Franklin was also a diplomat. He traveled to London to represent the colony of Pennsylvania. While there, he befriended King George II. The king liked Ben so much that he invited him to attend the royal wedding of his son, the future King George III, to a German princess. Can you imagine? A colonial printer from America attending a royal wedding in the 18th century? It was quite a journey. After returning to Philadelphia, he penned a story about the wedding for his newspaper. However, the king wasn't pleased. He believed Ben was poking fun at him and his son. Ben Franklin was a founding father and one of the most important people at the Constitutional Convention in 1787. He helped draft the Declaration of Independence and the Constitution. He also signed both documents. After the American Revolution, he served as the first Postmaster General of the United States. He established the first national bank and the first mint. He also invented the lightning rod. Ben Franklin died on April 17, 1790. He was one of the most important people in American history. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about amazing people in history, stay tuned for more.